Oh, hi there, everyone. I'm your girl, Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I have for you another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. All right, welcome family to my kitchen. It's another Jamaican cooking experience, and today, guys, I will be doing beans and rice. Now, I have my beans pre-cooked in 6 cups of water. To that, I will add 2 tablespoons of blended season. And guys, you can check the description box and you'll see the link to how I make my blended seasoning. Now you can use your choice of powdered season. For me, I am using the complete season and I'm using it freely, but it's about 2 tablespoons of complete season, about 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, and 3 Maggi cubes. I am using the beef one because I believe it adds more flavor to the rice and beans. To that, I've added a cup and a half of coconut milk, 2 stems of green onion, a generous amount of dried thyme, and some pimento or allspice seeds. About 8 seeds will do the trick, guys. I've covered that and allow it to boil. Allow your coconut milk to cook into your peas for about 15 minutes. Now, this is what it looks like. Now, because I use the coconut milk, you will not get that quality coconut flavor. So I've added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the pot. Add to that a teaspoon of browning, and this is just to enhance the color of my beans and rice. You can always do without it. It's really up to you, the color of your beans and rice. Guys, I stir this in and I'm just gonna go jump straight into washing off my rice. Now, guys, remember, I know you're enjoying this channel so far. Please press that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Remember, leave your comment in the section below. Share your thoughts about this video or suggest other Jamaican meal that you'd like to see me prepared. Remember, guys, follow me on Instagram at Wims2020 and like my page on Facebook at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. After washing the rice for 3 times, it's time to place it in the beans. Now, guys, this is a mixture of rice and bulgur, so don't worry about the brown particles you see. It is bulgur. Guys, I'm just gonna add this, stir it all in, add some butter to flavor, and add my scotch bonnet pepper. Rice and bean can't be rice and bean without a scotch bonnet pepper in it. Now, there's a rule of thumb, guys, for cooking rice and peas or beans and rice on the stove top. It's simple, guys. Make sure you have at least 1 inch of liquid above the rice. Now, guys, I'm doing about 4 pounds of beans and rice because I'm doing this for about 20 persons. So ensure that you have about an inch above the surface of the rice. Now, guys, you can't stick your finger in it, right? So this is what it looks like using the spoon. That's what it looks like. And I'm sure you can follow this gauge. You will not get it wrong. So, guys, I'm going to turn my flame to medium, cover my rice until it comes to a boil. Allow this to cook for about 10 minutes or until you begin to see your rice. When you can see your rice, guys, put your flame on medium low. Cover this with foil. Ensure that you cover all the surface of the rice and add about half cup of water to the top of the foil. Guys, while this is doing its thing beautifully, I will share with you the food for thought today. It comes to us from John 6, verse 27. Do not work for food that spoils, but for food that endures to eternal life, which the Son of Man will give you. For on him God the Father has placed his seal of approval. So there it is, family and friends. It's another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Thank you, family and friends, for coming along with me for this my Jamaican cooking experience doing beans and rice.